You might have noticed that it's very busy here today. You know why? It's because the Morgan drawbridge is out of service and it is not working. So they have all the trains backed up in here at Abeerdeen MAtawan station. And now this train is just standing here. You could see some workers. So it's really crowded here. And this train is just standing here. 2 trains are delayed at Abeerdeen MAtawan station. New Jersey Transit cab car 7004 and New Jersey Transit ALP 46A 4664 delayed here. One with multi-levels and one with comet cars. An NJ Transit car is here. It's just something really serious must be going down. As the only information that was given is that the Morgan drawbridge connecting South Amboy and the station I'm at is closed right now. So trains are just backed up here. Anyway, guys, I got a new haircut setting that I'm only allowed to be here till 7, and it's already. Wait, give me a second. It's already 6:01, and these trains look like they're gonna be stuck here for a while. Looks like today's Railfanning episode is probably just gonna be me sitting at the station watching delays. But you know, if New Jersey Transit actually gets these trains to finally move, this may be a good episode. It's like last week's episode of emergency at Chatham Station. It's kind of similar. Stay tuned for the entire video because something exciting may happen. Guys, I'm not going to be Railfanning today because there is no more trains today. These trains will be stuck at the station for the rest of the day. So I'm going to be going home. There's nothing for me to do here. I'm sorry, guys. But at least we got this action.